Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to San Diego. The local time is 6:12. We'll be taxiing for a few more moments, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain's brought the aircraft to the gate to a complete stop. At that time, check around your seating area for your belongings and use caution opening your overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. On behalf of the entire flight crew, it's been a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again on a future U.S. Airways flight. Have a great stay here in the San Diego area, or wherever your travel plans take you. If you have your cell phone within your reach, you're more than welcome to use it at this time. Thanks again. Have a great holiday.